Upgrade your home's security and convenience with Raizo Smart Door Lock. Fingerprint access provides a secure, seamless experience for you and your family. Use PIN code access for added convenience and easy entry. RFID card access offers convenient entry, making it easy for family members to manage access. Mobile app unlocking allows remote access, offering ultimate flexibility for your property. And for traditional access, the physical key option is always available. Face Unlock provides quick and secure access, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you and your family. Versatile for homes, airbnbs, hotels, and offices. One lock for all needs. With over 200,000 cycles, this lock is built for long-term, reliable performance. Its corrosion-resistant finish ensures durability in high-traffic areas. Triple deadbolts enhance security, safeguarding your property day and night. The USB charging port ensures your door lock remains functional when the battery is dead. Simply connect an external device, like a power bank, and unlock your door in a flash. Unlock in 1 second with fast, accurate fingerprint recognition. Upgrade your home security today with Raizo Smart Lock, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones.